Hi guys, it's your girl OhhSoPaige and welcome back to my channel. I got more hair paint wax. I got purple to go along with my pink, so I just did this cute little style. If you want to see how I created this style, just continue watching. guys, so that will complete the video. I just wanted to come on and give you guys brief notes on like what I think of both colors. I think if you have black hair, it's going to be a cute like dark purple. Like my little pieces right here is like a really cute dark purple. Even like here, like all my black pieces are a really cute dark purple. If you have blonde hair or any type of light hair, it's going to be this cute more lavender color. Obviously, you know I did the pink hair paint wax before my other video, and so I wanted to mix them up. Didn't realize that I was using more pink than purple, so I do apologize for that this is really supposed to be about the purple, but I use more pink. So but I will say, like, when you look at the two together, like in the boxes, well, not in the boxes, but in the little container, when you look at the two colors in the container, honestly the pink is more vibrant in a sense that like it has more luster and shine to it than the actual purple in its little container. It doesn't have much luster and shine. As far as the way it looks, it's kind of up to you guys. I really should have just used my black background because I feel like the pink background offsets it. Let's look at it with black. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my black background. So you can see the colors a little bit better than what you can see on my pink background. But like I said, it's gonna be like a darker color on the black parts of my hair. So it's like a cute dark purple. And then on my bleached parts of my hair, it is a more lavender color to it. The back, the picture I was going for the back of my hair, honestly, I was supposed to do way more sections than this, but your girl got lazy and I got tired of like trying to do it without being able to see the back of my head. So I just went ahead and only got 4 sections, and it is what it is. Cause I would rather just have 4 sections than have you guys clown me for like it being crooked or like it not matching up. Like I don't got time for people to destroy me in the comments. So in order to cut that out, I just went ahead and did what I did. Hopefully it looks cute. Would I do something, like if I tried this again, this style again, I think I would do it differently in the sense that I would just do this part like down. Like I would perm rod it down and then I would pick it and then put it into a ponytail versus this. I feel like it would be more big, but honestly this is day 1, so as the days go on, I know that this is going to get bigger and this is going to frizz up. Day 1 hair is always like not as luscious as later days, but we shall see. So let me know in the comments if you guys like this hair paint wax color on me, as well as if you guys like this style. So that will be it for the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.